North London forever. I rep Arsenal in any weather. Keep your advice and your pep talk. We got Super Mikel Arteta. Make no mistake, it's a new era. When I cross my fingers like Ezra, it's not luck, it's faith. I'm a Christian like Mosquera. I couldn't defend us finishing 8th in the table, we were unstable. The future looks so ugly, them Mustafi times were painful. Pablo Mari, Socrates, Squillaci, all fools like April. We needed an angel, God sent us Gabriel. We had Jesus on our side, but still needed Christ. We needed a king like Kai. They didn't believe in my guy. 100 mil felt like peas for rice, but it was a decent price. Just let us keep winning the league. You can call us Set Piece FC for life.
Good song, fam, but you're still a Butlers, fam. You don't have European trophy, don't chat to us, fam. Yeah. Sucks to be an Arsenal fan, not gonna lie, fam. Is it gonna work out? I mean, it worked out in the Prem, but I don't think it's gonna work out next season, fam. Yeah. You're gonna come back to this video. I know.